Today is a historic day, not just for Montenegro, but also for Albania, Moldova, and North Macedonia. As of now, 40 banks from these 4 enlargement partners will become operational in the single euro payments area schemes. This means that citizens and businesses will enjoy cheaper, faster, and more reliable transactions within the European Union and amongst themselves. And this is the first step towards saving citizens up to 500 million euros per year. This means, of course, that the entire society stands to gain from this achievement. Cross-border trade and financial inclusion will grow, the informal economy will decline, and economic growth will pick up more generally. Ordinary people will see that they retain more in their pocket of transfers than they are today. This is all part, of course, of our commitment to support what we call gradual integration. The growth plans for the Western Balkans and Moldova are making this vision of accelerated socio-economic integration with the EU a reality. I must say I find it immensely satisfying to see our efforts in guiding the EU accession process bear fruit, benefiting the people and the businesses on the ground. So today we are celebrating a significant milestone, but please rest assured many more are yet to come. Allow me to reiterate once more our offer for faster, gradual integration within the EU system and the single market is open, it stands, the ball will be in your court, it will be for you to seize the momentum and make the necessary reforms. Let me conclude by saying that, of course, you are an example for other enlargement partners. You show what actually the EU path can bring, and therefore you are a key actor in the wider system moving the countries forward. Together we can build a prosperous and integrated future for your countries, for the EU, and ultimately for your countries as future EU member states. Thank you very much.